Aaryash, you are giving water to plant. Okay, come give water to this plant. Come, come. Okay. All right. Now give water to this plant. Good boy. Now give water to this plant, to second plant. You love giving water? Okay. Now come to another one. Come here. Come. Let's go there. Come. Make sure you don't fall, okay? Say okay. Okay. Now give water to this plant. Good boy. This is a nature love. Now Aaryash is learning nature love. Give plant to this water. Give water to this plant. Can you give water to this plant? This plant. This one. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Very good. And can you say hi to camera also?
Bye.
Bye. You say bye. Okay. Now come Aaryash. Give water to the last one. Come. Come. Make sure you don't fall, okay? Alright. Alright. Aaryash, come here. Come. Okay. Now can you give water to this plant? Okay. Now you love. Oh, you're making them bath. Dodge is drinking water. Yes, can you make him bath? Yes, he's running. Dawn, come. Come, Dawn. Aaryash will give you bath. Come here. Aaryash, now throw water. Now make him bath. Make him bath. Dodge is running. Dawn is there. Dawn, come. Aaryash, put water on. He's running? Okay, no problem. All right, now you give water to plants. Good boy. Okay. He's running, Aaryash. She will not take bath. Don't do that.